get asked sometimes about how I do different things on the boat as far as like navigation, things like that. When I'm doing the ICW, there's some very specific things. If you want to know what those are, I can show you. Basically, come down to I have my normal chart plotter. I have a iPad. It's Aquamaps, and what they do is they have Bobby Scherer's tracks that are integrated into it and automatically updated when you buy the service from them. And it allows me to know where somebody else has gone that has a 6-foot draft. I have a 5'6" draft, so it makes it a big difference for us. Not perfect. Gotta be careful because some people use it as an autopilot track, and so they just like set it, forget it. So you gotta be very careful in the ICW. You ever wonder about what kind of navigation suite you need for doing the ICW? There's really simple ways, and then there are really complicated ways, and there are things in between. And I like to be a little bit on the in between for what I do for navigation on the ICW. First off, we have a full-on B&G chart plotter that has the sonar maps, which are user-generated maps or charts of the bottom contours. So we use that. It has all of our integrated AIS. It has everything else we need. Next up, we have a really nice iPad with it's externally connected to a GPS. It has Aquamaps, which has Bob's tracks, which are done by Bob Scherer. He's a guy that goes up and down the ICW, or he used to. He's now retired. And finally, we do standard navigation instruments that allow us to know what's going on in the boat in front of us. And if you look out there, right about there, that's Bebop. They're leading the way. They got a dig printer after those. Some of the issues are that the chart plotter itself doesn't have USACE, U.S. Army Corps of Engineer, topographic maps that they do as surveys of the bottom, whereas the Aquamaps map application does have that. Allows you to see a colored contour at the bottom that works out really, really nice, and also is updated fairly frequently. So those are some of the things that you get and the trade-offs. The issue, of course, is in the summer, an iPad, if you use it full time on the boat, it will overheat and then turn off, and now you don't have a chart plotter. So can't say that I like both of them as much as I like both of them working together.